All right, here we are with Peyton. We're going to go ahead and do a chiropractic adjustment. This is how we adjust small toddlers in our office. Go ahead and lay down here on your tummy, Peyton. Good job. I'm going to scoot you out just a little bit so you're on the paper. Good. Okay. So if you'll notice, her hips are out of alignment just a little bit. Just going to lift up here. There. There. Yep. A little right there. Okay, Peyton. Turn on your side and face me this way. Good. Okay. What you got? Are you sucking on something? Good job. Alright. You got a piece of gum somewhere you're chewing on? Yeah? Okay. Just right up here. Okay. Now turn all the way over onto your side this way and face me. So you're going to lay on your side like your sister did. So, here, I'll help you. Just turn on your side like this. Good. Yeah. Okay, cross this over. Good job, okay. Bring this arm back here.
Yes.
Good. Good job. Turn to this side. Do the same thing. Okay. Okay. Good. Turn back on your back. Okay. No. We're going to sit up. Stand up on the table. And right in here. There was one. Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to jump really high. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Good job. Give me 5. All right. Jump down. Ready?